Hey guys, it's Kim here with Fairly Fiber Fun. Thanks for joining me on day 11 of Tour de Fleece. Today I got everything done that was on the agenda. I finished bobbin number 2 of the sock spin, finished spinning the blue cornmeal rollags, and spiral plied the greens, which is what I'm going to share with you in the video. And then, of course, it poured down rain and the kids had fun playing outside in the rain, so I got a little bit of footage of that, just a teeny tiny bit. Yeah, I'm happy with what I got accomplished, and it was a fabulous day. I will see you next time. Bye.